So I've come from home. It's a Friday night. It's about 6:30, it's nearly 7 o'clock, and I thought I'd just do a Friday night camp out. Why not? The weather's a bit threatening. There is a motorcycle rally on this weekend, which is down in Waimate, the March here. Did go to the October here last year, but I thought, well, I might just do this to get away, and to camp at the top of the Waimate River here. This is a White Bridge, and it's a really nice looking valley actually. There's two options for camping up this way. We've got Andrew's shelter, I think it is, up that way, and there's another shelter or something up that way. We're going to go to the first shelter because I'm a bit peckish. Though in saying that, look at that dark cloud. I can't really tell which way the wind's going. I don't know. Hopefully that behind me is coming this way and that other stuff will go away. $5, 7, 8, and $2 more. 2 more. Cool. Hey, come look at the shelter. It's a pretty cool spot actually, isn't it? Check it out. Running water over there. Shelter spot to keep out of the weather, and a fireplace. It looks used, so people have been using it. And all that land to camp on. Okay, look up here. I can get that pin back. That's not my pin. And Wilshire Hill. You know what I should be doing? I should be setting up a tent and cooking myself some dinner. Not going on a walk. And the wet weather gear as well, it's very hot. I think that's far enough. Let's head back to the bike and get this campsite out. Bug spray applied. Got to keep them at bay. I think I've been bitten 20 times already. So I found this nice wee spot here. I think this will be just sweet. I don't know. Nice open area. Wind is coming down the valley. Hopefully that doesn't mean the rain's going to come through with it. There's another camper camping up through the forest. Through that on the other side there. There's a toilet there if I need it. I think we've got some mint. Well, we're all set up. I didn't think I'd do it. I often say to myself, I'm going to go for a camp, I'm going to go for a camp, and I don't. I think it's really easy to make an excuse why not to and just stay in the comfort of your home. Because yeah, I love being at home. My trouble is to work at home. That's got some real massive benefits, but at the same time it does have its disadvantages as well. But you know, I'm not going to complain about it, especially when you can get away from home and come to a place like this. And when it was actually supposed to be raining. I had intentions of, didn't matter if it's going to rain. Obviously got the shelter there, which is pretty cool. But anyway, I might start cooking some dinner. Or I might actually have a drink. Why not? Then I'll cook dinner and I'll show you what I've got. You know what I have, I don't know the last time I went camping alone actually. If I remember, the last time I went camping on my motorcycle alone, all by myself, aside from a motorcycle rally, which doesn't really count because you've got heaps of people there, would probably be back in year 2000 when I took a ride out on my Motoguzzi Nevada 750 and rode around the South Island, and I had a blast then, and it was my first bigger bike, and getting around the South Island like that was just magic. It was awesome, eh? Oh, now you see my secret stash. Oh, let's have a look. We've got some creamy rice for pudding. We've got some pork fillets for dinner. with some golden vegetable rice, which probably serves about 6 people. So I'm not going to be hungry. And we've got some hazy IPA. There we go. So this is a Boundary Road trail hazer. Well, I ain't going to be going any trails aside from on the bike. But anyway, without further ado. Oh, yes, of course, they all been shook up. That's really got an aroma about it, eh? Cheers. Thanks for coming along with us. A little bit of oil. I was actually going to bring some potato and make some potato patties and stuff like that, but I didn't happen. I always have good intentions. Hello, little robin. Hello. Come to help me cook. You're going to be my friend for tonight. We've had these robins visit us on numerous camps now. They're very, very inquisitive. I'm not sure if this is just one fillet or 2. I should have the pan hot, first. Oh yeah, it's just a single fillet. Cool. It's getting a little more windy, but I can't complain about that, eh? Maybe it'll keep the sandflies away, but let's try and let's keep the sandflies away with this. Oh, is that burning? Well, we're nearly done with the pork. I think it's looking pretty damn good. Whenever I look at mountains and stuff and I see the clouds going across the top there, I want to climb to the top of that. We look over at that peak way over there. Never can see properly on the GoPro. You look at that peak there and it's like, I want to climb to the top of that. It would take me days, months. I'd probably die trying. I've put a little bit of water in the pot. Let's put some of that in the water here. We'll cook the lot up. This pot I used to cook some rice, and look what I did to the bottom of it, and that has never left. So I'll never forget mistletoe flat, and I'll never forget that I had rice, and I'll never forget that I burnt the damn rice. Anyway, let's get this rice cooked. I'm hungry, getting real hungry. I don't know where time's flying by. I'm not even sure what time it is. I'm pretty sure the bag said 30 mils, not, yeah, in a pan, 30 mils, 2 tablespoons of water. I think I'll probably put half a cup. That's rice soup. Well, cheers to a good dinner with an outlook of beauty. If you don't see the motorcycle as beauty, you can't not see that. The darkness is coming in. I'm just going to enjoy the sunset. Well, the sun's pretty much gone. I can see the first few stars. It's a different view than what we had last night. It clouded over, it rained a little, so I might go and make myself a cup of tea. Hello, Robin. Oh, yeah. Didn't see you last night. So we're at Andrew's shelter. We stayed here at Howden shelter. I think it's a nicer spot compared to this one overall.